In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find toxic backlinks in Semrush. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing a website's SEO, as toxic backlinks can significantly harm your site's ranking on search engines. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your browser and search for Semrush. Once you find it, click on the link to access their platform. This tool is essential for monitoring and managing your site's SEO, so if you don't have an account yet, this is a great time to sign up. If you're already registered, go ahead and log in. Once you're inside Semrush, head over to the SEO section. Here, you'll see various options, but the one you're interested in is the Backlink Audit feature. This tool is specifically designed to help you identify potentially harmful backlinks pointing to your site, making it an invaluable resource in your SEO toolkit. Now, within the Backlink Audit section, you'll need to select your domain from the list of projects to view its backlink profile. It's crucial to ensure you're analyzing the correct domain to get accurate insights into its backlink health. With your domain selected, Semrush will display an overview, which includes the overall toxicity score of your domain. This score gives you a quick snapshot of how healthy your backlink profile is. In addition to the toxicity score, you'll also see the number of referring domains and backlinks. To dive deeper, click on the Audit Report. Here, you'll find a detailed list of each individual backlink and its specific toxicity score. This is where you can gain insights into which links are problematic. The Audit tab will display a list of referring domains, essentially the websites that are linking back to your domain. Each of these links is assessed by Semrush using over 45 markers that determine their toxicity score. A higher score indicates greater risk. Semrush categorizes these links as toxic, potentially toxic, or non-toxic. If you're curious about why a backlink has a particular score, you can hover over it to see which toxic markers have been flagged. Take your time to go through the backlinks flagged as toxic or potentially toxic. It's important to consider the context of each link, such as the source website and the anchor text, to determine its impact on your SEO. If you find a backlink that you believe is harmful, you can add it to the Remove tab within the tool. This allows you to take action and protect your site from negative SEO impacts. And there you have it, an effective way to find and manage toxic backlinks using Semrush. By routinely auditing your backlinks, you can maintain a healthy backlink profile and improve your site's SEO performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.